The Lambda EMS 5200-2D1171 is a rack mount 5-volt output DC power supply used in several semiconductor tools. This particular power supply arrived at ERD unable to provide any current, never mind the rated 200 amps it should. We rebuilt this power supply, and as shown in the video, we hooked it up to our large dynamic power load tester, and we pulled the full load. ERD has repaired many of these power supplies in various configurations over the years, and has maintained a 100% success track record along with a repair time of less than 3 weeks. At ERD, we excel on the obscure and obsolete. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.